In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into CapCut with QR code. This is a quick, secure way to access your account without typing a password, and it works great when you're signing in on a computer or another device. Start on the device where you want to sign in. This could be your laptop, desktop, or tablet. Open the CapCut application, and on the Welcome or Home screen, tap the Sign In button. When the sign-in options appear, choose Use QR code. A unique QR code will pop up on your screen. Keep that page open and visible. You'll scan this code with your phone in just a moment. Now switch to your mobile phone, open the CapCut app there as well. On the bottom of the screen, tap Me to open your profile area. In the top right corner, tap the three-line menu icon to open the menu. From that menu, select Scan. This will open your camera. If your phone asks for permission to use the camera, allow it so the scanner can work properly. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your other device. Hold your phone steady and make sure the entire QR code fits inside the frame. You don't need to press a shutter button. CapCut will recognize the code automatically. Within a second or two, you should see a confirmation on your phone, and the device with the QR code will sign into your CapCut account automatically. That's the whole process, no typing required. If the scan doesn't register right away, try a few simple fixes. Turn up the brightness on the screen showing the QR code, clean your phone's camera lens, or move a little closer so the code fills the frame clearly. You can also refresh the QR code by leaving the QR screen on your other device and tapping Use QR code again to generate a new one. For best results, make sure both devices are connected to a stable internet connection throughout the process. A quick note on security. A QR code is essentially a temporary key that links the session on your device to the account authenticated in CapCut on your phone. Only scan codes you see on your own device and avoid sharing screenshots of that QR code with anyone else. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to sign in to CapCut with a QR code. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.